Hey, it's Steve Zonardi here. We're in Verdana Village. This is where I live. I want to give you 7 points why you should use a realtor when purchasing a new property through the builders. So the first point we need to look at, just pay attention when you're purchasing a new construction home, you're going to get a set closing date. You got to keep in mind that this date can be advanced or extended at any time the builder pleases. So remember, when you're selling a home, let's just say you're moving into the state or you're moving into this property, make sure the house that you're selling is going to coordinate with the closing of this property, and make sure to check in. What we do is, what we offer for our clients is we do regular check-ins on the property and kind of give them sort of a guesstimate of where their production is on their property at that time. Did you know that we can negotiate deals here at these new communities? The builder's not going to tell you this, but what happens is they're going to set it up at a price and then we're going to negotiate. Obviously, our idea is to get you the best price possible for your house, provide you the best services. This is what we're here to do for you as your consultant while you purchase new construction. Just pay attention to the builders and their strategies. You're going to see when the snowbird season comes in more in the winter, you're going to see a price increase, and then they'll start gradually easing off prices. This is obviously a strategy to get you to come in and create urgency so you purchase a home. This is why you need a consultant like ourselves to kind of guide you through this process. Remember, the builders are going to be working for themselves to get the best deals. I'm going to be working for you directly to get you the best deal, the best home site. Make sure that you have everything you need with this property, that in the future, if you want to sell, you're not going to have any detriment values to it that's going to affect the sale price. That's my goal for you, is make sure that we get you the best price and the best product in the market. And number 5, you want somebody here on the ground to take a look at your investment as it's going through the paces of construction. As you know, myself, if you've been following me on my socials, I have a construction background. Also, I'm a builder and developer, so we have a great depth of construction knowledge. So we'll be following your property right through the paces, right through foundation, through the shelling, through the drywall, and so forth. And just remember, you're going to have a few different walkthroughs, and if you can't make those days, you can fly in for them, then I would walk them for you. Number 1, it would be the pre-drywall inspection. This is one of the inspections where we kind of do check all the options that you've picked prior, that are installed prior to drywall. And fast forward 3 months from that point, you're going to be doing your pre-closing inspection. And this is the point where we go through the property. If you can't make it, I'll be on the ground. I'll be spending the time with your construction manager. We're going to basically outline all the deficiencies in the property. I'll give you a detailed video. In the detailed video, you're going to make points out of it and then send us directly to your builder that you've chosen to build with and have them correct these deficiencies prior to closing. And if you still can't make it down for closing, I will walk the property day of closing and make sure all the deficiencies were taken care of. That's our commitment here at Treviso Realty for you. And point 6, the builders are going to push their mortgage companies and their insurance companies on you. And sometimes that is the best bet. I'll tell you one reason. When you do your home insurance through the builder, the first year is going to be a lot lower than any market value. And then the second year, you're going to need a broker. And someone like myself that's in general real estate, we have access to all different insurance and mortgage professionals. So what we do is we set you up with the builder first year, and second year we roll you into our trusted advisors, and you can get better rates than, let's say, the general market. And then also mortgages. Currently right now, like, the builders are giving better rates, clearly, because they're buying down the rates. So it's probably a good option for you. But not everybody qualifies for this, because it could be, the credit scores could be a lot higher than what you have, or if you're a foreign national, you won't be able to qualify for their loans that they have available. This is why we have trusted advisors that we can refer to you, that you can deal with, someone that's going to get you from point A to point Z and finish the transaction in full success. So when you're purchasing a home in a new community, you have 1 or 2 choices. Number 1, you can buy a spec build. This is basically this is inventory that the builder produces without a buyer, and then they want to sell it prior to occupancy. And so when purchasing a dirt lot, what the builder does is they want to sell out more of the undesirable lots first, obviously, because if there's a rush of buyers coming in, they want to sell the undesirable lots first. Then ultimately, they're going to hold the gems till later. What we do is we put a lock on some of these properties, or these home sites rather, so you get the best choices of home sites when you're ready to build. And those are the 7 valuable reasons why you should be having a consultant like myself when you're buying new construction in any phase or any community here in Southwest Florida. Our information will be attached to this video. You can always give us a call if you have quick questions about any of the communities. We'd be happy to guide you through them.